Hello everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. So, in this video, I'd like to show you how to make this percentage but in also in color. So, let's say if you are the manager of the cell and you have several colleagues here. There are Hassan, Albert, Tina and Don, and each of them has reached the different and particular sales from March until April. Let's say from the Hassan, he experienced a decline in sales from 500 in March, but declined in April to become $400. And another colleagues experienced the increasing of the sales. Let's say Albert, she start from the 215 to become 1000 in April. And let's say in tomorrow's session, you will have to do the report for your manager or another division, and you will have to make the report about their percentage of each sales. So it is very simple. So the first thing I would do is type the equal on the section or cell E3 here, equal, and give it the open parentheses and click cell of D3 minus C3, close parentheses, slash, and cell of C3 and enter. Then you can drag it down to get the continued result. And if you would like to give the look to be more interesting, this is how you do. Then you can click the data here in the cell of E3, and then you can give the right click and scroll and click format cells. And you can click custom, and this is the format that we will use. Well, actually, we have already applied for this answer key, but let's say I will try to explain to you. So the green is indicating that the cell experienced the increasing, so the symbol will be green. And how can you get this symbol? Well, you can give the combination Windows and R, and you can type char map and OK. And after that, it will give you the different windows, and you can just scroll down and find out the suitable symbol for this report. Let's say I will choose here, select, and copy. And let's say I will paste the data, paste the symbol here. Control V, there you go. But this is the formula that we will use. Green means that the cells experience the increasing, and the red indicates that the cell experience the decreasing. And unchanged, it means that the cells doesn't experience the change or it's stable the same. And you can just click OK. There you go. And then you can just drag it down. There you go. You are ready to present this report into your team. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and also like this video. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't forget to put it on a comment down below, and I would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.